everybody, I am Thatnursingprof and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the incentive spirometer and how to use it. So what is this little device for? It helps to promote deep breathing and open up those alveoli. It's really nice because it uses visual feedback so that the patients can fully inflate their lungs and sustain that inflation. How often are we recommending they use this? 5 to 10 times an hour while awake. So when you get it, it comes like this, and then it also has this little instructions with it. This is important because this chart. You're going to use this chart to tell you, let me turn it this way so you can see it better, where to put this little lever, okay? And so this chart is based on gender, it's based on age and height. So for me, it's going to go about right here, okay? That's the level. When using this device, you want to make sure you're holding it upright and not leaning it to the side. And you don't want to do it like this. You want to actually take this off, okay? I've seen that. I've seen people try to do it like this. So don't do that. So take it off. I'm going to turn it towards me so I can see it better. So the first thing we're going to do is exhale. Then we're going to put our mouth on here, and then we're going to take a deep breath in. And hopefully that deep breath is going to move this little white disc up to our little yellow marker. So let's do it. Exhale, and now. There we go. Not too hard, right? Now, think about our patients who might have just had a major abdominal surgery and they're in a lot of pain. This might be really hard for them, okay? So encouraging them and lots of education about why this is important is going to be very helpful. I know this was a short little one, but something I wanted to talk about, really important, especially post-operatively. I hope you found this helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any questions or comments, please let me know, and if not, I'll see you on the next one.